there are already a lot of people in here. A lot of travelers. Not everybody observes proper social distancing, but yeah, not much control about it. And oh, I got to do this one for the first time. Stick out and print out and stick out some tags for my backdrop. Actually, this pila is purely for backdrop, but hindi siya on the inside. Not sure if I can take a video here, but I just got out of the scanning machine. What do you call that again? Anyway, so yeah, this is how the airport looks. By the way, nag-excess baggage ako, so I had to pay additional hundreds. So, yeah, I will be at gate 133. If my memory serves me right, and if you can hear me, kasi I tried talking earlier, and walang narinig. Oh, there. It's my flight. Nanibago. TG1617. Be back later. Oh, walang katao-tao. Jesus. This is good. So, I kind of felt hungry and bought something. Yung mabilisang kainan lang dito. And apparently, kahit saan daw, pwede nang kumain. So, hindi ito yung gate ko. Medyo malayo pa yung gate ko, pero ayoko ng madaming tao. So, solo ko ito ngayon. Yes, thank you. Yung document talaga to, no? Actually, ang tagal ng hintay ko sa backdrop. Parang it took me more than an hour. 1.5 hours para makarating. And nag-excess baggage ako.
Rainy with around temperature of 31 degrees Celsius. Visibility is 6 kilometers and wind coming from the west at 16 kilometers per hour.
Already in the ambulance. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I'm already in the ambulance. Ito yung sundo namin, sundo ng mga LSIs. If lumapag sila sa different province from their province. So, lumapag ako sa Calibo, and ito yung sundo from my place's LGU. Hi guys. So, I just arrived in our quarantine facility. Fairness lang sa probinsya ko. Probinsya and specifically to my town. Maayos yung quarantine facility na. Siyempre hindi siya hotel-like, or kahit hostel-like. But it's a decent place. Natirahan for 2 weeks. And, you know, one good thing about here, malawak siya. It's empty right now, obviously. And madami yung saksakan isa doon. So, yun. Yan supposedly yung bed ko over there. Kaso, nasira yung door-ish ko a few days ago. Then, doon sa labas, doon yung CR. Yup, may own CR ka per room. And then, well, hindi pa siya nalinisan. And then, another, doon, saksakan. And then, another saksakan doon. So, basically, I have 6 saksakan. I'm having dinner now. It's around 8 something. Kasi nag-settle down pa ako. Kasi empty talaga yung room ko. My parents just provided me some stuff here. And then my food, macaroni baked by my dad. and chop out. Yun nga, I think the main struggle here would be aside sa walang internet. Super early yung breakfast as a non-morning person. Kaya akong gumising ng 7:15 to get my breakfast. And dinner is super early also at 5:15. And as a midnight snacker, I'm gonna die. Yun pa. Dinig ka sa buong place here, so hindi ako masyadong makapag-ingay. Kasi like may nag-uusap sa labas. Mag-friends na sila yung mga na-quarantine. Narinig ko sila clearly. So, yeah, let's see. As part of my documentation of going back to the province during the pandemic, I'm gonna have a brief quarantine facility tour for you. Every town varies in terms of their quarantine facilities. Chung, I'm entering now. So this is it. This is the facility. Ang bright. Ang dami din kasing windows. And medyo naka-open-ish sila. So, ang bright na everything. So, eto lang. Ganito lang. My stuff. Konti lang yung dinala kong stuff from Manila. Kasi babalik na naman ako doon. Basurahan. What else? My stuff again. So, yeah, we have a separate washroom. Pero, separate siya from the main tulugan. Pero, it's still part of the room for you. There. Yum, yum, yeah! There. So, yun lang. Wala pa siyang itutour kasi empty siya. And I'm just gonna stay here for 14 days. I can manage that. And actually, sobrang lawak niya dahil wala nga siyang laman. Kaya pwede talagang mag-dance cover. Charot. Oo, para siyang yung place namin sa Manila where we do our dance covers. Yung buong labas na yun. Yan lang. Hi all. So it's my second day in quarantine and I wasn't really planning to document my per day here in the facility, pero I know, I guess it just gets boring eventually. But I still have a lot of activities lined up for me. Basically all the dance covers that I need to learn. And I just want to share my food because natuwa ako. It's munggo, y'all. It's munggo. And it's lamayo. I don't know. I'm really so bad at remembering fish names. Hindi ako sure anong tawag dito sa Tagalog. Pero it's lamayo in Canaya. Anyway, let's eat it. Chamkisamita. And it's my 4th day here in quarantine. I think one of my struggles here so far, although it's not really a big deal, is how to clean my piercings here because I don't have any mirror and I only have my phone. And it's really different when you're in front of the mirror. So yeah, diba? Yun lang. Good. There. So it's my 7th day today. Sorry, wala akong kilay. It's okay. Hindi naman kilay is life, but dati, nabuhay naman ako anyway. There. So they're calling all the codes now for the rapid testing. Today's our 7th day and I just had my rapid test. Hey, it's my... I really can't remember. And I'm sweating so excessively. So I just discovered Kuya's message, and it's around 8 something. Hello! So again, sorry, this is just another just woke up look because it's super early pa in the morning, and they just announced that it's already our day to go home. Yes, and I just got out and received this certificate of completion. I think one regret lang that I have is hindi ko masyadong na-savor yung last night ko here. As in, kagabi parang late ako natulog kasi naghahabol ako ng lumilipad na parang cricket something kasi lumilipad siya sa akin. So, yeah, yun yung last night ko dito. It was a bit memorable and fun. Oh, quarantine sa silip. Hindi mo na ako makapag-cover video ng maayos dito. Ayos yung lighting dito, legit. Wala akong makeup at all. Pangit ang skin ko right now. I hope my skin recovers though pagbalik ko sa bahay. So that is it. That is my 14-day quarantine journey. So I'm back home. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, LG Barbasa.